Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a simple LED nameplate. To make this project we will need a wearable and a 4 volts battery and mini switch and some LEDs. Connect all the LEDs to wearable and connect this in parallel connection and connect the battery and switch. Connect all LEDs to the wearable and solder all the LEDs and connect with parallel connection and connect a switch and a battery. Now the LED nameplate is finished. Now turn on the LED. See, the LED is glowing. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.